Okay, now present topic is the renewal of a bill in BCom first year, second sem. Okay, it is one of the example. Renewal of bill means by the cancellation of old bill, again we can make a one another new bill with the interest or without interest. That is called as a renewal of bill. Due to non-availability of the cash to honor the bill old bill, in that case, Mr. Dravi, what I call request to the drawer for the cancellation of old bill, and also he was asked to make a new bill. That process active what I call called as a renewal of a bill. I am explaining based on the one of the example. On January 1st, Sita accepted what I call Sita some of the amount owing to Mr. in my example Ramo. So Ramu is the drawer, creditor. Sita is the debtor. So for the debt settlement, Sita accepted 3 months bill for rupees 1000. Unable to meet the same at the due date. It was drawn on January 1st for the 3 months. Due date became as April 4th. On April 4th, Sita unable to meet the same at the due date. She sent one of the requests to Ramo Nana to make a new bill. So that's why the Ramo, right, at the due date, unable to meet the same at the due date, she requests the Ramo to cancel. So original bill means own bill and draw a new bill for 2 months with rupees 800. Old bill amount is 1000, but new bill what they are drawing with 800, right? So remaining balance 200 pending is there. There may be the 200 Sita is paying in the mode of cash. She immediately paid 250 cash, right, to Ramu. Means here check the ones nana. Old bill amount is 1000. So for the renewal this bill we are cancel now. Means equivalent of that much receivable from Sita. From the debt balance 1000, she is paying 250 rupees immediately. From the 1000 already paid amount is 250. Remaining balance payable 750. In the place of 750, renew new bill with 800. Means 50 rupees interest they are charging indirectly. Mr. Ramo charging interest on the Sita. Extra 50 rupees. Right, Nana? Send bill honored, right? Second bill was honored on its due date, Nana. Once again, January 1st, Sita accepted one bill rupees 1000 for the 3 months period on the name of Ramu. Before the due date, Sita what I call request send it to Ramu for the cancellation of old bill, and also she's asking Nana make a new bill on her name, Nana, by the Ramu. Right, also she was paying 250 rupees immediately, right? Second bill also on second due date on the second bill it was honoring. Show the journal entries and the ledger accounts in the books of both parties, Ramu and Sita, they are asking. First one, name of the driver Ramu, name of the driver Sita. Old bill amount is 1000. Old bill period is 3 months. It was drawn on January 1st. Due date of the old bill become as April 4th. Next one, on this date that bill was cancelled. In the place of that one, again making a new bill by Ramu on Sita on April 4th for the 2 months period. New bill due date became as a June 4th, right? On January 1st to 3 months. Old bill due date is April 4th. By the cancellation of old bill on April 4th, we are making 2 months bill, another bill. So that's why because June due date of the second bill after added 3 grace days, due date of the second bill is become as a June 7th. Next, interest charged by Ramu is equal to total debt 2000, in which paid immediately cash 250. Remaining 750 pending is there. For the 750, in the place of 750, we are making new bill 800, means additionally charging 50 rupees interest. To record such type of transactions, these entries are required in the books of drawer. Journal entries in the books of Ramu drawer. First one, on January 1st, we are receiving bill from the Sita. Debit the bills receivable account. Why? Because it is coming in. Given by Sita. Bills receivable to Sita 1000. Being 3 months bill was drawn on the Sita and she accepted. April 4th. On this due date of this bill, on the due date of this bill, we are cancelling that first bill. Why? Because from Sita we are received one of the request for the renewal. For the renewal purpose, the first bill we are going to cancel by the showing reverse entry. Here debited bills receivable, credit the bills receivable. Created Sita, debit the Sita. Simply Nana, it is dishonor entry. It is dishonor entry. So Sita account added to bills receivable 1000. Being bill was first bill was cancelled for renewal 1000. Actually again Sita owing 1000. From this we are collecting cash on April 4th. Third entry. Debit the cash account. Why? Because cash will come. Credit the Sita giver account. Credit the Sita account. 250. Cash account added to Sita account. Cash will come given by Sita. Credit the giver. Debit the what comes in. From the 1000 Sita debt balance, we are collected 250. Still receivable amount, pending amount 750 there. In the place of 750, now we are collecting what I call receiving through the acceptance another new bill, second bill. Debit the again bills receivable account. It is the second bill amount 800. In the 800, interest as 50 rupees interest as a interest, 750 as a debt balance of Sita. Debit the bills receivable account 800. 50 rupees we are collecting as interest, that is income. Create the income account. To interest account 50 rupees. Create the giver account. To Sita account 750. Sita debt balance she was giving Nana 750. We are interest income collecting 50. With the both equivalent of this both Nana, we are getting the new bill from the Sita. Debit the bills receivable account. On the due date of this bill, the due date become as June 7th. These bills, second bill is honoring. First bill is dishonored. Due to the dishonor of that bill, again we are renewed new bill Nana. Second bill is honoring. When the honor of the bill Nana, cash will come. Debit the cash account. Credit the bills receivable account 800 on June 7th. Being second bill was honored on its due date. These all entries are required. So based on this one, ledger posting. Ledger of the ledger accounts in the books of Ramo. For Sita account, bills receivable account. Actually, she was owing to our organization. That amount I am taken as a January 1st to balance brought down 1000. For this settlement, with the help of first entry, here Sita account credited. That's why it will come at credit side as by bills receivable. As per third entry, it will appear at credit side as by cash. As per fourth entry, by bill receivable 750. As per second entry, it will come at debit side to bills receivable. Both side equal 2000 over. Bills receivable, ledger posting in the bills receivable account Nana. As per first entry, it will come at debit side of the bills receivable as is to Sita. To interest to Sita as per fourth entry. Next, as per second entry by Sita. As per fifth entry, ledger posting by cash. Total at both sides 800. Similarly, journal entries in the books of Sita. Dravi. Now first one we are accepting one bill to the Ramo. Debit the Ramo account, receiver account, credit the bills payable account 1000. Now this bill is dishonoring on due date. So by the reversing this one, we can pass the what I call dishonor entry. Debit the bills payable account, credit the Ramo account 1000. Again, from this Ramo payable 1000, we are paying 250 cash. Debit the receiver account, credit the cash account 250. Actually Ramo debt 1000. From that we are paid 250. Remaining payable 750. In lieu of 750, we are accepting 800 new bill. Means 50 rupees interest. Debit the Ramo account 750. Interest is last to row Sita. Debit the interest account 50. To bills payable account 800. A new bill was accepted. Now this 800 bill again honoring on due date. Honor means now we are paying cash. Debit the bills payable account, credit the cash account 800 on June 7th. And ledger posting in the books of Sita. Based on these entries, ledger posting in the books of Sita. First one, Ramo account, drawer account. In the drawer account, we are what I call amount owing to Ramo, equivalent of this 1000. That amount by balance brought down. It is not given in the question. And how can we understand? Why? Because we are accepted one bill, rupees 1000 means we are owing to the equivalent of amount Mr. Ramo. That's why there is the liability. Liabilities are always show the credit balance. That's why I am taking it credit side as a by balance brought down. For this settlement, we are accepted bills payable to bills payable based on first entry. By bills payable based on second entry, ledger posting. Based on third entry, it will appear a debit side to cash 250. Based on the fourth entry, it will appear a debit side 750. After that 2000 it will equal. Bills payable ledger posting the bills payable. According to first entry, it will appear at credit side as January 1st by Ramo 1000. According to second entry, it will appear at debit side to Ramo 1000. According to fourth entry, it will appear at credit side by Ramo by interest 750. According to fifth entry, it will appear at debit side to cash. So after that, it will become as both sides equal. Okay, this problem is an example problem, renewal of the bill with interest.